Hello, nature lovers out there. Today, we're taking you on a journey to a stunning Birdsland Reserve in Victoria, Australia. This place is heaven for all bird enthusiasts, offering an opportunity to spot over 250 bird species in their natural habitat. Nestled in the heart of the Victorian countryside, Birdsland Reserve is not just a bird sanctuary but also a treat for the eyes. It's an extraordinary blend of wetlands, vast land, and open pasture that will leave you spellbound. The reserve offers numerous walking trails, allowing you to discover its rich biodiversity of your own pace. Whether you're an avid bird watcher or someone who loves nature walks, Birdsland Reserve is sprawling heaven of over 75 hectares and nestled in the foothills of the Dandenong Ranges. As I walk, the melodic symphony of chirping birds provided a harmonious backdrop to the rustling leaves. You occasionally see magpies, rosella, kookaburra, and Eurasian cods swimming on the lake. Ducks glided effortlessly on the surface. There's a sign that platypus sighted in the area, of which I have never seen before. As you venture in the reserve, you see the dense woodlands and open grasslands where kangaroos graze lazily. A perfect place to walk around, do your jogging, or just strolling, enjoying the nature. This is a perfect place where you can enjoy the nature, relax, take a deep breath, enjoy the panorama, which is so beautiful and relaxing. So quiet. Today the weather is so good and the place so beautiful. You really have a good time walking here and you won't get tired walking. This is a perfect place to relieve stress, have time to empty your mind as you walk along. So if you really love nature, then this is a perfect place for you to come and enjoy, explore the area. As we follow the trail towards the lookout point, We are greeted with the amazing panorama view of the surrounding countryside. I also get a chance to watch an eagle soaring gracefully in the sky, and this is a perfect place for the bird hunters. The walk is not just a walk, but a wonderful experience of breathtaking ecosystem that offered peace, reflection, and a profound appreciation for nature's beauty. Birdsland Reserve has something for everyone. So pack your binoculars and camera and start planning your visit. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fantastic destinations around Australia. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, explore nature and protect it.